Hello students, let us continue the chemical properties of the ethers. Okay, today we will study electrophilic substitution reactions of ethers. Electrophilic substitution reactions of ethers. See, I have taken ether means what? Alkoxy group. OR is attached to the hydrocarbon called as ethers. See here, OR group is attached to the benzene ring. Alkoxy. If it is OCH3, methoxybenzene. If it is OC2H5, ethoxybenzene, like that. Okay. See, when this OR group, alkoxy group is attached to the benzene ring, what happens to the electron density of the benzene ring? You check here. Okay. Here the two lone pair of electrons are there on the oxygen atom. Those will shift to this bond, and this pi bond will shift to this carbon atom to get the negative charge here. And these are the resonating structures of the alkoxybenzene. Okay, by observing these resonating structures, we got to know that the alkoxy group attached to the benzene ring increases the electron density on the benzene ring. Increase the electron density on the benzene ring. Therefore, the incoming electrophile is more likely to attack the ring. Therefore, the alkoxy group, when alkoxy group is attached to the benzene ring, it increases the activity of the benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution. It increases the electron density on the benzene ring, hence it increases the affinity to undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction for this benzene ring. Okay, and also if an incoming electrophile is coming, where does it go? Electrophile is the one which is in deficiency of the electrons. Okay, so it will search that center which is in reach of the electrons. See here, this is the electron rich position, and electron rich position, ortho position and para position. So, when OR, alkoxy group is attached, the ortho and para positions of the benzene ring will get activated for the electrophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, alkoxy group is called as ortho-para activating group. Compared to benzene, alkoxybenzene is more active towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, and after the electrophilic substitution reaction, this alkoxybenzene or ethers will give ortho-para substituted products. This is information about the electrophilic substitution reaction. Got it? And now we have to discuss some of the examples for electrophilic substitution reactions. That is bromination, nitration, Friedel-Crafts, alkylation. Here I have written an example for electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, one is bromination. Okay, what is the name of this one? Methoxybenzene, OCH3, or generally it is called as what? Anisole, or also called as methoxybenzene. When methoxybenzene is treated with the bromine acetic acid, a mixture of para-bromoanisole and ortho-bromoanisole is formed, where para-bromoanisole is major product and ortho-bromoanisole is minor product. Okay, two hydrogens are removed here, one from here, one from here. Okay, two methoxybenzenes are used. So therefore, one bromide will get substituted at para position to form a para-bromoanisole. Another will get substituted at ortho position to form a ortho-bromoanisole. This is the bromination reaction of what? An example, ether. Example for the ether I have taken here, anisole. Okay, second example for the electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. Nitration means substitution of nitro group to the anisole. An example for ether. Methoxybenzene is also called as what? Anisole. When this anisole is treated with the nitrating mixture, what do you mean by nitrating mixture? It's a mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. When this is treated with the HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, which is called as a nitrating mixture, the mixture of same ortho and para nitro substituted products are formed. Okay, ortho substituted product. First let me write the para substituted product. Then what? Ortho substituted product. Okay, this is what nitration. Okay students, you write the name of those. Name of this one is para nitroanisole, ortho nitroanisole. Okay, para nitro will be the major product, ortho will be minor. Okay, very easy reactions. Nitration generally we know. Okay, any compound we take and when it is treated with the nitrating mixture, we will get the nitro substituted products. Okay, that example I have taken anisole here. When anisole is treated with a mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, mixture of para nitroanisole and ortho nitroanisole are formed. Okay, third one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, substitution of alkyl group to the anisole. For the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, what we use as a catalyst? In the first piece it's the Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene we have studied. Okay, anisole. For the alkylation generally we use alkyl halide. Here I am using CH3Cl. Okay, two products are formed, so therefore 2CH3Cl. Friedel-Crafts alkylation takes place in the presence of catalyst called anhydrous AlCl3. Yes or no? Yes. Then what happens? The alkyl group substituted at the ortho position. First at para position and write para. As well as what? At ortho position. Okay. These are the two products formed. 2-methoxytoluene. This is 2-methoxytoluene. See, 1, 2. At the second position, this is toluene we know. At the second position, methoxy group is attached. 2-methoxytoluene, and it is 4-methoxytoluene. It is the major product. It is the minor product. This is what we call Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Plus, what will be the side product, students? 2 hydrogens are removed and 2 Cls are there. Therefore, 2 HCl is the side. When anisole is treated with the methyl chloride, when anisole is treated with the methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, the mixture of 4-methoxytoluene and 2-methoxytoluene are formed. This is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation of anisole. Okay, last example for electrophilic substitution reaction of ether is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation means substitution of acyl group, COCH3 group. Okay, generally for the acylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts means, remember that we are taking AlCl3 as a catalyst. Anisole example is taken here for the ether. Okay, when acetyl chloride, for the acetylation generally acetyl chloride is used, or sometimes acetic anhydride is also used. When anisole is treated with the acetyl chloride, 2 times acetyl chloride, and here for all the reactions we write it 2 times: nitration, bromination, Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation. 2 times this anisole is taken. Okay, when anisole is treated with the acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 catalyst, Friedel-Crafts means you have to use it. Then what are formed? COCH3 group substituted at the OCH3 is as it is. COCH3 group is substituted at para position as well as substituted at ortho position. Okay, these are the two products formed. Okay, the name of this one 1, 2, 3, 4 methoxy. What is the name of this one? Only this much is there, means it is acetophenone ketone, and it is 2-methoxy acetophenone. Okay, and this is the major product, marking as a minor. Okay, with these reactions, bromination, nitration, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation of the ethers, we have completed the discussion about the ethers as well as the alcohols, phenols, ethers chapter is completed. Okay, after this I will send the notes in the PDF form, and even the previous year questions from the previous year questions I will send. You have to write it as the assignment, and the notes whatever I have given it in a PDF form, very neatly you have to write in your notes. Okay, and the next video we will begin with the chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Okay, keep studying. Thank you.